Hi friend, this is Dr. Apurv Mehra.
And this is Dr. Gobindraigarg.
So, thank you very much for the wonderful response all of you have always shown to Cerebellum Academy. This video is for our dear FMG students. Now, we are waiting for the result of the December, that is the exam that was held in January, to come for FMG exams. Once the result is out, we are going to start with our popular and much loved mission series, Mission 200. So Goga Bhai, Mission 200 is likely to start from 2nd of February 2024, and this date, that is second week of February, that is in 2024. This date, right now, let's assume we take the first day of the second week, that is 8th Feb, and we just made a schedule from 8th of February, but this can go 2 days or 3 days here and there depending upon when actually the result comes, right? So what exactly is mission program? So mission 200 plus, what is 200 plus? What is exactly 200 plus? That is what you want to say.
So first of all the best for your exams, whoever has given, and I hope the result will be good and you don't need to attend this program.
Yes.
And this is mainly for the new students who are giving exam in July session, or the students who are unluckily may not be able to clear the exam, so
Right.
They can also join this program. So this is specially targeting those students who are appearing for July 2024. Okay, now 200 plus means we are targeting that your score should be above 200. Yeah? So normally you need 150 to pass, but we don't want that you stuck at 150, 149, 148. So when we target something lesser, like many student target के 150 आ जाए बस काम हो जाएगा, और अगर एग्जाम वाले दिन 2-3 गलत हो गए क्वेश्चन तो दे स्टक एट 140, 149. So but our aim is you should target 200 plus. So अगर आपके 2-4 क्वेश्चन एक्स्ट्रा गलत भी हो गए, 180, 190 भी आ गया, तो you should clear the exam.
Right. So what are we going to do? We are going to have 19 subject live lectures. So you will have live lectures. You will have exams and discussions of subjects. You will have again a revision exam and discussion of the subjects. You will have grand tests coming up, and then you will have the BTR lectures integrated into it.
There is also marathon session at the end.
Right.
There will be marathon session for FMG students just few days before the exam. And apart from that, in this program, you will also get all the recorded videos.
Yes. So the recorded videos are there. Daily evening, 5:30 onwards, you will have live lectures. The teachers will come and it will be their responsibility to complete your course. So it's your course and our responsibility. That's the motto on which Cerebellum works. And then we'll make sure that there is a test in which we discuss. So how is this mission different from the previous mission 200s that we had? So here we have divided into different phases. So let's look at what is the schedule that has been formed for the students. So you can see there are 3 groups here. So group number 1, group number 2, group number 3. So just to make it clear, I'll just show you, as already discussed, the result will decide when we actually start. And all our programs are usually started by Goga Bhai, and similarly will be this program, which will again start by Goga Bhai. So let's assume we are starting on 8th Feb. So if I just highlight it here and try to show you, so the first lecture that goes on is Pharma. So what is going to happen here? So first of all, the Pharma lecture will occur. So previously what used to happen is complete Pharma lectures were completed and then Goga Bhai will do an E&D of Pharma. But what is different here? This time after each subject we are not doing E&Ds. We will combine different subjects and do E&Ds. For example, here after Pharma we have PAT and then we have an E&D. So this E&D that we have will have 2 subjects. So earlier if you were discussing questions, you were completing your subject.
Yeah.
But here 2 teachers will be doing E&D together.
Yes.
Right. So this thing is going to make sure that you complete subjects in sets. And there is a sort of revision going on that before, when you are going for an E&D, you will know that you have to attempt E&D for 2 subjects. So this will keep you on track. The revisions are automatically integrated.
Yes.
Right, sir?
So there will be integration. 2 subjects you will be doing simultaneously. So 2 teachers will be there. So After completing pharma, you will complete pathology, and then both of them together you will give the test.
Right. Similarly, then you have anesthesia, you have psychiatry, you have FMT, they are E&D. Similarly, surgery being a major subject, it's E&D. And then you have something beautiful, there will be first grand test. Now, this is what is important here. Live lectures, some lectures of 2 to 3 subjects, sometimes 2 subjects, sometimes single subject and an E&D. And then one major chunk is completed. So like here, the first grand test is occurring after 6 subjects are over. Pharma is over, path is over, anesthesia is over, psychiatry is over, FMT is over, and surgery is over. So first grand test is occurring. So similarly, this is what is your phase 1. So in phase 1, you will have all 19 subjects. You will have their E&Ds, and you will have some grand tests which are going to take place. This is how the phase 1 gets over, right? After the phase 1 is over, we come to phase 2. Phase 2, Goga Bhai, is all about E&Ds now. But again, you are having combined E&Ds here. You are not having individual E&Ds. So this is a way of making sure that our students have a chance to learn the art of solving questions. And then what Goga Bhai said, the final kill, the last phase, which is going to be a marathon of 19 subjects. So your comments about these 3 phases, proper schedule has been made till your June-July exam. The only fluctuation will occur depending on the result or announcement of the dates, but we are going to make you study till the exam. Right? Goga Bhai, your words on this.
So basically it's your syllabus, but our responsibility that you should be able to complete the syllabus. So apart from these live lectures, if you miss some lectures, obviously you will get the recorded videos of those lectures, so you can revise. But we will always advise that try to attend the live classes, because recorded videos are already there in the app and they are already available to you. If you are not able to complete them, you will not be able to complete whatever you have missed. So try to attend the live classes, and try as much as possible to not to miss the classes, because whichever class is missed, it is very difficult to cover again. Although we are giving repeated revisions for you also, but be consistent with your syllabus. So we are with you, and you should also continue to study.
Right. And also one more thing, that's the question that's going to be asked. There will be at the end the BTR sessions to complete the course till the end. So that is going to be there. Towards the end, we have the BTR sessions, which will be there for you to revise. So there will be 3 BTR sessions. Like this time we had 3 sessions to complete our FMG marathon. So there will be BTR sessions also towards the end. So what we'll have, to summarize again, we will have in-app recorded lectures. We will have in-app notes. We will have in-app QBank. Along with that, we have the live lectures, combined E&Ds of some subjects, routine grand test in phase 1. Phase 2 is all about giving you E&Ds of combined multiple subjects together. And finally, the marathon series of 19 subjects along with BTR. So we are going to be there till the end, till you write the exams. Stay tuned to Cerebellum Academy. The registrations to start very soon for Mission 200, the mid session, that is the lab 2.
So all the very best students, just keep following us, and we have made a tailor-made program for your July exam, and we will definitely clear together.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.